will be expecting from you?
Okay, the audience and everyone around should be expecting more of my creative arts, the music out there, like what I do, what I love doing, my style of music, and how passionate I am about it. Like I'm ready to put myself out there for people to see. I'm ready to make people know that this is my passion, and I want to carry everybody along as well, like my fans and everybody that has trust in me that this girl is actually doing something we like and we want to also be in support of her. So I want them to expect me to actually give them what they want, like whatever they want to listen to, we are definitely going to get it.
All right, beautiful. So expect the best from LOREEY in a nutshell. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was nice having you, LOREEY, today in the studio. So say your last words to your fans and everybody watching you, wherever they are watching you from. What you have to say to them, fans, friends, family, and all the people that have supported you and voted for you.
To my fans, my friends, and my family, I want to really appreciate you all for everything you've been doing for me. Like the journey has not been so easy. It's not even easy at all. And this could not have been possible without you all. Like during the voting process, what I saw was like mind-blowing. I never expected it. So I want to really say from my heart these words of gratitude that I'm really, really grateful for everything, the support you show, the love, and the question. Some people were even the ones coming to ask me that what's up, how is it going, what's the next move? I was so happy about it to see that some people really have interest in me becoming great. It was very nice, it was very great, and I loved it so much. I was so happy. So I want to say a very big thank you to them all, and also a very big thank you to this platform that was able to make me show myself out there. I really appreciate you, and a very big thank you to you as well.
All right, so LOREEY has said her word to all of you watching, and she has appreciated you, and she has also not failed to appreciate Elegant Empire Music and Films for being there and being the platform she's standing upon right now. And we are not going to let you down, LOREEY. Thank you very much for coming around. We wish you more success. We wish you more elevations.
Thank you so much.
Keep growing, keep flying.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice time.
Thank you so
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this interview today. Okay, so it was a nice time out with LOREEY in the building. So see you next time. God bless you.